Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a blocked account on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this page you will scrolling down until you find this page or this window of Snapchat and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us.